Want to learn how to do knotless braids on yourself but don't know where to start? Here is a easy, beginner friendly method. Just keep on watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do these blonde mixed boho knotless braids, but I also wanted to show you guys like a hack that I do to make it a little bit easier when you're doing braids on yourself. So if you're interested on how I got this color combo, then just keep on watching. So starting out with the hair that I used 2 packs of this Expressions braiding hair in the color M4, 27, and 30. So I ended up using this like human hair blend boho pieces that already come, cut off the weft, and I got these from the beauty supply store. The first bundle of pack hair is from Encore La Vie in the color 27, 16 inches. I've used this brand a lot and I'm really happy and satisfied with this hair quality. The second brand is from Outre, the purple pack hair in 18 inches, and I got the color 4, 27, and 30. And this hair was also pretty good quality as well. This is my absolute favorite edge control from Lock Booster, and I get the silver one because that one has better hold. On top of that, for this method, you're going to need some rubber bands with some oil on them to cause, as little breakage as possible, as well as some clips, a rat tail comb, and a crochet hook. You definitely want to start out this style with freshly washed and blow dried hair. It's just going to make everything easier, make your style look more polished and everything. So this method is for all my girls who want to do their own braids, but if you're anything like me, it's so hard to reach the back of your head. Like, I always have trouble for some reason. So this is a crochet method, so you can do, still have that knotless look while still doing your braids on yourself. I'm going to part my entire head and use rubber bands to secure the boxes, and then I'm going to go in and start crocheting the hair through the back and do my braids that way. Parting takes so freaking long for me, so just knocking this out in the beginning really helps. Once I'm done with my entire head, I'm going to start crocheting the braiding hair in. So you want to crochet the braiding hair through the rubber band, and I kind of do like a crisscross method, or you can even crochet one horizontal and one vertical. You want the braiding hair to cover the rubber band when you start braiding as much as possible. For example, I used like black rubber bands. I try not to use ones that are too shiny. And also, if you have lighter hair, you should probably do like a brown rubber band, if that makes sense, because you want it to blend in as much as possible. You're going to split your real hair into 3 pieces with the braiding hair and start to braid as normal. You're going to add in your braiding hair like you normally would, as well as the like boho human hair pieces. And yeah, I'm going to show you a better look of how I added in the boho pieces towards the front, because it's kind of hard for you to see in this back view, but I wanted to just give you an idea of how I start out these braids and how it looks with this method. Here is another look of the crochet method. I'm going to crochet the hair through the box in a diagonal way, or like I said, you can do one horizontal and one vertical to kind of hide the rubber band as much as possible. And next, you're just going to start braiding down as normal. And you want to split your hair into 3 equal pieces with 3 equal pieces of braiding hair. And then you just add in the braiding hair and the boho hair as you normally would. I'm going to show you this crochet method one more time from the side profile before we move to the front. Like I said, you're going to crochet the hair through the rubber band in a way to hide the rubber band. You can do crisscross or diagonal. You want to split your hair into 3 pieces with the braiding hair and then start to braid down as you normally would, adding in, enough hair as you go down to kind of be the fullness and thickness that matches the part that you have. So I'm actually able to regular knotless braid in the front of my head. So that's why you see me cutting out the rubber band, because I just put the rubber band there to hold the part. But I'm going to do a normal knotless braid in the front. I'm not the best at knotless braids, but it gets the job done and it looks good enough, especially doing it on yourself, and it's free. So I am going to show you, kind of what I do in the front. So that's when I split my hair into 3 sections and kind of immediately braided in 3 pieces of braiding hair towards the top. And then I also go ahead and add in a piece of that human boho hair. You want to braid it in and then clip up the long piece of the boho hair, or else it's gonna get caught up in it's gonna like get caught up in the braid, or you might braid it in by accident. So that's what I do, and I just blend in a mixture of the 27 and then the other pack of hair that had the 4 and the 30, I believe. I just mixed it all throughout the hair. I really didn't have like a specific pattern that I follow. I just wanted it to be mixed in throughout to give like that highlighted effect and match the braiding hair. Y'all, this style took me like a total of 10 hours, so just be prepared. When you braid your hair, it's a marathon. Even if you braid fast, it still takes a lot of effort. I'm a slow braider, so that's why it took me so long. But I'm finally at the finish line. Like, this is my last braid, as you can see, and I am so happy to be done. But these literally came out so perfect. Like, I love this color. It looks so natural because it has those highlights of that dark color, so it matches my hair as well. The color just blended so well, and I'm so happy with the results. To end the style, we definitely need to dip the ends. So that's what I did. I just put some really hot water in like a inside a measuring cup and dip the ends and make sure I had a towel ready. The OG Shine and Jam mousse will forever be a staple for finishing off my individual styles. So that's what I'm going to be using. It's just so lightweight and isn't like sticky or anything like some mousses, and it just locks everything in place so well. I also love the OG Argan Oil Sheen Spray to finish off the style too, because it just smells so good. Like, that scent, I love it. So those are my 2 must-haves to finishing off these types of styles. You could also use some Got To Be spray for the roots, but I didn't have enough time to do that because I had somewhere to go. So the rubber bands in the back are barely even visible, and also it's not tension. Like, I'm able to put these in a ponytail and stuff and it doesn't hurt. I got so many compliments on this hairstyle and I hope you all love it and try it out for yourself. This color combo was one of my absolute favorites. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.